Hi, I'm Adam Jones. I'm a strategist in Hewlett Packard Enterprise, Pointnext Services. Hewlett Packard Enterprise is the edge-to-cloud service business. And what I do in particular within Pointnext Services is we deliver IT services to our customers to drive better efficiency, better optimization, to drive business outcomes. In the age of digital, insight, and customer experiences, we really wanted to take a step back and say, we've got some great expertise. We've got some great knowledge that already exists, and we have some great processes to execute to help our customers resolve issues. But our big underlying issue was, how do we orchestrate the information more effectively? How do we get the information that we already have existing and make it available through indexing and tagging to help our agents, first and foremost, resolve customer issues quicker. But also, from a customer perspective, we really wanted to try and enable that air of independence. How can they come and solve their own problems? So how did we choose Coveo? So in Hewlett Packard Enterprise, we have a very diligent process to select the right vendors to provide the right outcomes for us. And this goes through an extremely rigorous process where we go through the assessment of the capabilities they have and then the actual meeting of our needs. And really this comes down to three key qualities we were looking for. The first quality is, what does the product provide to us based upon the things that we're trying to do, the requirements or the use cases? Secondly, it's all around making sure there's the spirit of partnership. As you go into an long-term engagement with these vendors, it's the ability to understand, are they willing to partner with you? Not only on the here and now, but in the future of what we want to be doing. And then finally, as you take a look at that, it's all about looking beyond the strategic roadmap and the investments that they're going to make as a company. Does that meet our goals and our objectives? And do we feel that we're going to be able to partner with them in the long term to achieve our outcomes? We saw all of this in Coveo, so this was a really, really critical set of elements. So HPE is using Coveo in two primary use cases today. The first use case is what I'll call the inside-out experience, which is where we're having our support agents utilize Coveo to help them resolve issues quicker for customers. And they work on their Salesforce Service Cloud, so Coveo is integrated into that. And what it does is, it helps our agent find the right article at the right time to resolve the customer issue. The second use case is then all around our customer. And this is a new experience we've brought to the fore, which is really focusing on the outside in. How do we help our customers become more independent to help them self-serve and self-solve? And through that independence, how do we drive the ability to resolve issues quicker and in an independent manner that helps the customer do it at a time that suits them? So with Coveo, we've got a set of metrics to make sure that we're driving success into what we're doing and to drive adoption and consumption of the product. The first one that we look at to measure what we're doing with Hewlett Packard Enterprise is our click-through rate. How do we ensure, as we do the click-through, that the right relevance of the article is being consumed in respect to resolving issues? So we know from an industry perspective we're above the benchmark there through the implementation of Coveo, and that's through 5 points improvement. The second area is about how do we continuously improve our results of sentiment and relevance. And this is really focused down on driving our machine learning to help us tune those results to drive that relevance, to be able to consume the article and to drive better problem resolution. Again, we've seen a marked improvement on that from a metric perspective, and we're above the industry average. And the final area is ensuring that as we go through this, we take on board the customer effort score and the net promoter score in respect of how do customers utilize this data and what is the feedback we're getting. And then how do we incorporate that back into the cycle to ensure we're co-creating with our customers and partnering with them on what we can do in the future. So as we go forward, what's going to be extremely critical for us is to ensure that we continue to drive the best experience for our agents and for our customers. As I stated earlier, in the age of digital, in the age of digital experiences and insights, Coveo is a key enabler to this experience. As we bring it forward and connect the right information to the right people at the right time, this will drive more expedited results, it will drive better outcomes, and most importantly for us, it will enable self-solve and self-serve for our customers to help them be more independent and to have a trusted digital platform to drive the outcomes they need. In closing, I'd just like to summarize a few key points. First and foremost, it's about making sure that we can provide the best digital experience to our agents and to our customers. Secondly, it's about relevance, making sure that we can bring the right results to the right people at the right time. And finally, it's about innovation. If we can continually bring in new capabilities to push the boundaries of the experience and reduce the level of effort, improve the overall time to resolve, this will change the game in the way we're providing these experiences to our customers and indeed to our agents, meaning we become the digital trusted advisor.